Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Nissan Maxima Ti sedan, stock reference number 4490. This shape runs from the second month 2002 through to the fifth month 2009. There's a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left door has multiple small dents, left front door has 3 small dents, left power door mirror, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console with the wood grain, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.